and welcome back to my channel. I am glad to have you guys here. If this is your first time of dropping by my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to like this video if you enjoy watching it. Share this video to your friends and also comment what you feel about today's video in the comments, and I will be reading all of that. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make two types of luxurious lip scrubs. Now, if it sounds like something you might be interested in learning how to do, of course I know you are, then I want you to relax and keep on watching. First thing first, we'll be needing a sterilized clean beaker for this formulation, and also we'll be needing some sugar, castor oil, cocoa butter, cinnamon powder. We also need cinnamon bone roll oil from TKB Trading to help give it that cinnamon scent. And lastly, we'll be needing alpha tocopherol to help prevent this product from oxidizing, and lavender essential oil in this product. Welcome to my workstation, guys. So I want you all to know that before I start formulating, my workstation is neat, and also my hand gloves have been properly sanitized with rubbing alcohol, and also my beaker is neat, and then my spatula is also neat. It has been sprayed with rubbing alcohol to help sanitize it. First thing, I am going to be taking my castor oil and pouring into the beaker. Next, I'll be adding in the cocoa butter to the beaker. And then I am just going to go and double boil this, and I will be right back. So I have fully dissolved the cocoa butter, and then I am just going to be adding in the cinnamon powder to the oil. And then I'm just going to give this a very good stir till everything is fully incorporated. That is the oil and the cinnamon powder. Next, I am going to be adding in the cinnamon flavoring oil to the scrub. Now, this is optional. I am just adding a few drops of this into my scrub, and this is because I am using cinnamon powder in this scrub and I wanted to have that cinnamon scent. So I am just going to be stirring this for a while, and after stirring it, I am going to be adding it to the fridge or putting it into the fridge for it to solidify a bit. So guys, this is what it is looking like. It has really solidified. I think I allowed it stay in the fridge for too long, so it is really hard. I am just going to whip this up to loosen it a bit. I am adding the alpha tocopherol and the essential oil to the mix right now. And then I'm just going to give it a very good stir. So now it is time to add in the sugar, and I'm just going to be adding in the sugar gradually, and then I will be mixing all that up. So I went off camera and whipped the scrub more, and this is what it is looking like. I love the way the scrub turned out. So I am just going to be scooping this into my jar.
The next video.
What I have in my beaker is a combination of jojoba oil and sunflower oil, and I'm going to be serving as my carrier oils in this formulation. I am also using some sugar. I'm also going to be using this liquid pigment from TKB Trading. Also, I will be using this disposable plastic plate for mixing. And lastly, I will be using some honey, tocopherol and lavender essential oil. First, I am going to be adding my sugar to my mixing plate. Next, I'm going to be adding in my carrier oils to my sugar. Next, I'm just going to be stirring this up. Next, I'll be going in with my honey, tocopherol and lavender essential oil. I added my remaining oil to the sugar, and I'm just going to stir everything up. Lastly, I'm going to be adding my liquid pigment, which I got from TKB Trading. Now, you can use any type of coloring, it is fine. And the essence of adding coloring to this scrub is for the aesthetic purpose, just to make it look beautiful and colorful to the eye. That is why I'm adding it to the scrub. So I'm just going to mix everything up and package in my containers.